got a call back.
What? Come on!
89 خەڵاتی ئۆسکار بۆ باشترین وێنە بۆ فیلمی ڕووناکی مانگ و باشترین ئەکتەرەکان لە ئەستێرەکانی فیلمی لالالاند بوو بۆ ڕەیان گازلین و ئیما ستۆن. لەگەڵ فیلمی خەیاڵی زانستی بە ناوی گەیشتن کە 8 خاڵی وەرگرت، فیلمی جنگ هاکساو ڕیچ و فیلمی مۆدێرنی خۆرئاوە هێڵ ئەنتە های وۆرە و درامی ماشستەر لە ڕێی دەریاوە، ڕووناکی مانگ مونلایت و فیگۆرە پەنهانەکان و شێر و پەرژینەکان. لە کاتیگۆری باشترین ئەکتەردا گازلین ڕکابەری کاسی ئافلێکی دەکرد کە ڕۆڵی باوکێکی خەمگین دەبینێت لە فیلمی ماشستەر لە ڕێی دەریاوە. ئەستێرەی فیلمی پەرژینەکان دێنزل واشنگتۆن و ئەکتەری بەریتانی ئەندریۆ گارفێڵد لە فیلمی هاکساو ڕیچ و ڤیگۆ مۆرفتێنس لە ڕۆڵی باوکێکی نائەرتۆدۆکسدا واتە باوکێکی کراوە لە فیلمی کاپتن فەنتاستیک. بۆ باشترین ئەکتەرەکان ستۆن کێبڕکەی لەگەڵ ناتالی پۆرتماندا دەکرد لە فیلمی جاکیدا، مێرل ستریپ لە فیلمی فلۆرەنس، فۆستەر جێکنز و ئیزابێل هاپۆرت لە فیلمی ئێلی و ڕوسنیگا لە فیلمی لەڤین.
And who is you?
Nobody. I found him yesterday. Found him in a hole on 15. Yeah, that one. Some boys chased him in the cut.
So y'all wrong. What you looking at me like that for? What, man? Come on, you just drove down here?
I latched on to her and told her, baby, I don't want to marry. I just want to be your man. Rose told me, tell him what you told me, Rose.
I told him if he wasn't a mankind, and move out the way so the mankind could find me.
That's what she told me. You're in my way, you're blocking the view, move out the way so I can find me a husband. I thought it over 2-3 days, come back.
2-3 days, nothing. You was back the same night.
Come back, told her, okay, baby, but I'm gonna buy me a banty rooster and put him out there in the backyard.
I don't have anything big to say.
It's okay.
I know you've been around, and I thought...
Just been getting Patrick settled in.
It seems like he's doing pretty good, huh? Considering.
Is this the same girl that was over at the house?
No, that was Sylvie, and this is Sandy. They don't know about each other, so please don't say anything in case it comes up.
It's a walk.
That he is. Tall, strong, commanding.
Oh, and I bet he's like the day and night.
Mary, it's Sunday. Please have some shit.
I will not.
He's coming over.
Now, why would he be doing that?
Because Mary's waving at him.
No! Ladies, I'm not
It's too
ready.
late. Fix your hair on the side.
Dog her.
What do you mean, reality? Do you have any idea what it's like knowing my real brother and mother spend every day of their lives looking for me?
Good on the plane? Yeah, good.
Sue, Mommy, and
Dad.
It's reckless is what it is. Oh. It's tweakers, I'm telling you.
I don't think these boys is reckless. Damn sure it's tweakers. They know exactly what they're doing.
I don't know how you're going to survive without somebody to outsmart. You need a hobby, and quick. You like to fish.
Not enough to do it every day.
Human. I'm human. What are you?
Oh my God.
What we created here may be unique in all of human existence.
All the way to the top.
We created a paradise.
What we're doing out here is so incredible. Our kids are amazing.
I miss Mom.
Mom needs to be in the hospital right now.
C'est à cause de sa demande de sortie. Ça excite les médias. Il passe devant le juge la semaine prochaine.
T'en perds pas une miette. 2 cafés, mademoiselle, s'il vous plaît.
Oui, tout de suite.
Je veux que tu m'accompagnes.
Mais ils ne le laisseront jamais sortir. Heureusement, d'ailleurs. Ces aménagements de peine, c'est une mascarade. C'est la même chose quand tu me demandes de venir avec toi, alors que tu sais parfaitement que je préférerais m'arracher les yeux.
Combien de temps tu vas t'accrocher à ta duel, ma fille?
Je ne veux plus jamais le revoir. Ni dans ce monde, ni dans un autre.
Yes?
Would you marry me?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear John.
Can you imagine what that must feel like? To hold 3,000 people in the cup of your hand. I would like to take some more lessons.
What about a pianist?
Yes, I shall need someone. Someone with passion.
My ex-husband used to call me a nocturnal animal.
I didn't know you had an ex-husband. Did you love him?
I did something horrible to him. I left him in a brutal way.
What are we gonna do? It's a question of how serious you are about seeing justice done.